I'll do a winter update. So this is after the big snowfall and a lot of it's melted. We had a bunch of rain and we had more rain last night and some freezing. So this side's really good. Notice there's nothing against the building. The back is in good shape, nothing against the building. And on the back side, some snow's there, and there's probably more. I didn't check earlier, but so this is the place that was rotted the most. So it's something, with how it comes around this embankment here and kind of drifts into here. So now with the aluminum there, we're in good shape. I'm not worried about it. But if that was against the wood, I would not like that. So otherwise, it's all away from the aluminum now. And you can see some moisture on the splash guard. But that's fine because that's what it's there for. Luckily on the front here, and I've been keeping an eye on this because when I come into the wood shop, this stayed away from the building pretty much. Now we do get some dirt splatter there, but I think that was from before. This looks really good. I'm really, really happy with this. I used to look down there and see a whole bunch of wet leaves all the time, and I'm not seeing that anymore. So all in all, really good shape. But I've switched to inside projects now, so although I wanted to work over there and work on the house part, give that some design, I just haven't been able to do it yet. So there's where we're at in the wintertime.